Well, it can't get much better. It was a heck of a week. Thanks for joining us for our visit across the country. We left Arizona in 106 degrees, then moved up and had a sunrise at the Grand Canyon, then up over Vail Summit at almost 12,000 feet and about 4 feet of snow. Then we stopped down into the Colorado Plains, then across Kansas to Dodge City and down into Kentucky and Missouri, and now we're on the Blue Ridge Parkway in Virginia, just off Bald Mountain Overlook. And man, I'm telling you, this country has so many things to offer. All you got to do is get out and see it. A couple ground rules that we learned and we practiced while we were here. We knew where we were going. We made a plan. We stayed with the plan as best we could. Daylight is your friend. Don't ever try to off-road by yourself in the dark. Make sure people know where you're at. Always air down before you go out on the trail and air up before you leave. Make sure you've got good first aid skills and good equipment and food and water on board. And make sure you have a vehicle that you can rely on. And make sure you got a friend with you, like I got my buddy Dave with me, to not only pass the time, but also to make sure that if you ever get in trouble, there's someone that can always go and find help for you. So it's been a great experience. I know that as we get older, sometimes we just don't make the time to go out and do the things we've always wanted to do. And I'm hoping for those that watch this video and for those that decide to join us in Old Man Overland, that you realize we really never are too old for adventure. We can do a lot of things if we put our mind to it. We just get started and jump on in. And I hope I can help some of that happen for those of you that want to join us. So thanks for visiting with us along the trail. We hope to see you again in future episodes. If you like Old Man Overland, please like this video and share it. Visit us on the website, find us on Instagram or Facebook, and we will see you again along the trail. Thanks again.